Hi, my name is Terry Maxwell. I'm a science teacher here at the high school. I teach integrated physical science and environmental problems. Along with teaching, I also coach football and track, and I am also a sponsor in Conservation in Action and Fellowship of Christian Athletes. If you need to contact me, I can be reached at tmaxwell@senecahs.org, or you can call the school and dial extension 209 and leave me a message. Whether it's teaching integrated physical science or environmental problems, my goal is to get your children to think like scientists. That means they observe the world around them carefully and ask questions. I really think that's fundamental in both of these science classes. Environmental problems is a full year course in which we focus on, as the class states, environmental issues. First semester we focus on our regional ecosystems and water science, the human footprint on water and land and energy usage, and plastic usage, as well as ocean ecosystems. In the second semester, we focus on energy usage, climate change, air pollution, and the Great Lakes ecosystems as well, which are very unique. When we're here at school, we'll be very hands-on. We do a lot of field work. We use our school grounds as a classroom many times to teach about population studies. We explore the different insects and plants and wildlife that's right next door to our classroom here in the pollinator plot, the creek, sometimes the I&M Canal. We use the outdoors as a classroom as much as possible. Integrated physical science is a full year course as well. In the first semester, we mainly focus on the nature of science. What does it mean to think like a scientist? What does it mean to set up an experiment properly so you can test your variables? And then we focus on the metric system, using some of our tools in the classroom correctly to get accurate measurements. And then we move into physics, mainly physics of motion. And we spend some time studying about kinematics, energy transfer, and also spending some time integrating astronomy into that first semester with orbits and gravity's role on the solar system. When we move into the second semester, we mainly focus on chemistry. We're focusing on basic chemistry, using the periodic table as a tool, setting up experiments in the chemistry lab, and then moving into the electromagnetic spectrum, nuclear fusion in stars, and finishing up the year with chemical cycles here on Earth. When we're here at school, we'll be very hands-on and distanced, and we're trying to do our best to learn how to run labs without sharing equipment, but it's going well so far. At home, I've created some take-home kits that your students will be able to use to do some simple experiments at home, and we'll do as a class. If it does come to some distance learning this year, we're prepared to do that at home and still be active and engaged. I'm looking forward to a good year. Really excited to be back in school with the students. I'm glad we're able to do that. If you need anything, please contact me. I know this is a strange year, but we can't be successful here without your help at home as well. Thanks for watching, and go Irish.